my god, look at that beauty. It was raining and now I'm walking in downtown. Oh my god, I love my life.
To the board, Purivu Mindy ke Lupri Silupre.
Hello guys, ignore the mess in the room, but this is the fit that I was talking.
It's 2:43 and last 17 minutes in this office. Last 17
Guys, I just left, said goodbye to everyone in the hotel. Okay, let me cross the road first. Yeah.
चलो मेरे से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना
Yes.
खबरदार ये क्या है
तेरा तो पहले भी चला गया
फ्लिप
फ्लिप कैसे होगा
मेरे को एक नंबर दिया तूने कौन है नंबर 1 फ्लिपर
इससे पूछा
अरे जो तेरा टाइट है
Hi guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing really great. I'm starting this week's vlog with this intro. Tonight I am going for a hot yoga, deep relaxation candlelight yoga. So I have a really cute outfit I'm going to show you, but I just wanted to do the intro first, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. I also wanted to share that I am thinking to get a nose piercing on this side. I've seen so many people wear on both sides. So what I tried this morning is I have like silver bindi, silver whitish bindi. So I tried that. Let me show you. And you tell me if it looks cute. Okay, maybe here. Okay, I feel like it's gonna look so cute. So let me know, like, should I get it? And I think it's gonna be okay. I don't know where it's gonna be, maybe here or here. Okay, मेरी बिंदी का glue खत्म हो गया है, but yeah, I feel like it's gonna look so cute, but at the same time I am not sure. So क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर मैं कराऊंगी तो मैं एक साइड नोज रिंग पहनूंगी एंड एक साइड स्टड पहनूंगी एंड इट्स गोना, आई डोंट नो, डज इट लुक क्यूट? शुड आई गेट इट? टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स. For now it's 2:30. It's almost 3 actually. I have my yoga class at 7:30. It's like 500 meters walk. 500 meters away from my house. So I am avoiding my screen time a lot because I just got back from my eye exam. कुछ नंबर वंबर नहीं पड़ा है मेरी आँखों का, but I feel like she was telling me how much screen affects our eyes and all that, and to be honest I want to stay healthy till I die. So that's not gonna happen. Maybe that can happen, so we never know. So I'm gonna put that phone down. I'm gonna read a book. I just finished my The Forest of Enchantments, so I'm starting The Mountain Is You. It's also gonna help me study better and not procrastinate. So I'm gonna read this. मेरा माइंड जब फ्रेश हो जाएगा, मेरी आंखें थोड़ी थकान से हट जाएंगी क्योंकि फ़ोन चला चला के आंखें थक जाती है. लाइक स्पेशली दिस इज़ a lot of this is happening with me where my eyes are so tired all the time because I'm using my phone too much. But comparatively to other people, I am not using my phone a lot, but at the same time, I don't know. It's just my eyes. So I'm avoiding my phone and I'm gonna read this book, and I have blabbered so much. But yeah. Next week, I am starting my new job, so I'm very excited for that. Anyone saying anything to me at work or giving me any kind of work, I'm like, yes, go for it. I will do it because it's my last week. Let me do it. So, yeah, let me read my book for some time and yeah. This blanket is for support. थोड़ा ऐसे सहारा मिल जाता है. I'm just starting it. I bought this few months ago. I just saw that I have outlined something on the 21st page, but I don't know if I remember what I read. Let's see. I'm gonna start with the second chapter because it's not a story, it's not a novel. It doesn't matter where I started from. So the chapter is There's No Such Thing as Self-Sabotage. Hello guys, ignore the mess in the room, but this is the fit that I was talking about. I am wearing this butter yellow tank top and then I'm wearing shorts underneath it. I'm just covering up with my pajama right now, but yeah, this is a cute fit for the yoga class. It was raining and now I'm walking in downtown. Oh my god, I love my life. I just got done with my yoga class. It was really good. I loved it. I can see how lazy I am without yoga and how much I was struggling in the class. So I'm excited to do more of this so I can be more flexible. I feel like nothing interesting is gonna happen the entire week because all I'm doing is working and studying. But let me show you the sunset. Let me show you the sunset. It looks so beautiful. How pretty. I came home around 3. I was thinking to take a nap for 15-20 minutes, but I ended up taking a nap of 3 hours. And उसके बाद भी मेरे को एक बहुत बुरा सपना आया. ओके, मैं तुम्हें अपना सपना बताती हूँ. मुझे सपने में आया कि बहुत बारिश हो रही है एंड द सपना डजंट मेक सेंस, बट बहुत बारिश हो रही है एंड कहीं कहीं से पता नहीं मैं कहाँ पे स्टक हूँ. कहीं कहीं से शायद मैं इंडिया में कहीं पे हूँ और कहीं कहीं से ऐसे दीवारें टूट रही है एंड देन अर्थक्वेक भी आ रहा है और पानी का प्रेशर भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो अभी तक तो मैं बची हुई में से 2 लोग हो रहे हैं, पता नहीं वो 2 कौन है. उसके बाद सडनली आई टेल दी अदर पर्सन जो कहीं और रहता है, उसको बोल रही काम कर, इधर से ना गो स्टेशन आता है, हम किसी बाली रोड पर पहुँच गए मेरी इमेजिनेशन से. एंड देन मैं उसको बोलती इधर से गो स्टेशन आता है, एटलीस्ट यू कैन गो अवे. और जब मैं जिंदा बचूंगी तो बचूंगी. मैं उसको ऐसा बोलती एंड आई से टू हिम लाइक आई विल सी यू इफ आई बी अलाइव एंड दैट पर्सन सेज यू विल बी, डोंट वरी. And like Bali ke roads and go station and like it didn't make any sense, but yeah, that was my dream for the nap. And now it's already 8:30 p.m. and I have to study. मैं थक गई हूँ भाई पढ़ के. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ पढ़ाई कर के. मैं कभी एग्ज़ाम मेरे दिमाग से, कभी एग्ज़ाम मेरी लाइफ से चला जाए और मेरी ज़िंदगी में थोड़ी शांति आ जाए. रोज़ जो ये मेरे को पढ़ना पड़ता है ना, मैं पागल हो गई हूँ इस पढ़ाई से. But let's see. I am also like very scared because of this exam. मैं YouTube खोलती हूँ और सब लोग यही बोल रहे हैं कि ये लोग फेल कर देते हैं बच्चों को क्योंकि इन्हें पैसे चाहिए होते हैं and all that blah blah and like how tough is the exam and all that. But I'm not getting demotivated. मेरे को कृष्ण भगवान की बात याद आ जाती है कि रिजल्ट्स मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. मेरे हाथ में क्या है, अभी मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर सकती हूँ. रिजल्ट्स तो जो आना होगा वो आएगा, जो नहीं आना होगा वो नहीं आएगा. मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती उस चीज़ के लिए. जो चीज़ मेरे हाथ में नहीं है उसके लिए परेशान होने का क्या फ़ायदा. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टडी and if something interesting happens during the week I will let you know. So today is Wednesday, May 20th. I am going to work tomorrow, Thursday, and then I'm going to work Friday. So 2 more days. And then Saturday, Sunday मैंने off ले लिया है because I'm starting my new job. from next Monday. So 2 दिन की मुझे छुट्टी मिलेगी and my plan is to not go out with any of my friends and study, because I have been going out every single weekend or every single off that I'm getting, and I'm not taking this study seriously. So my plan is to stay in and study a lot. But yeah, enough of my yapping. चपड़ अभी मैं पढ़ाई कर लेती हूँ. चलो बाय.
Bonjour, je vous appelle parce que je vous votre annonce et je souhaiterais obtenir quelques renseignements. Tout d'abord, pourriez-vous m'indiquer le prix, s'il vous plaît? Ah, je trouvais que le prix un peu cher. Est-ce qu'il y aurait une possibilité de réduction?
Good morning, guys, but I want to show you something. Oh my god, look at that beauty. It's sunrise, it's 5:50 a.m. Wow. I have to leave for work in 45 minutes. So it's 2:43 and last 17 minutes in this office. Last 17 minutes with this outfit. Last 17 minutes at this hotel. Wow. We have made it. We have made it till the end. Safe to say, I'm not gonna miss any of this. Guys, I just left, said goodbye to everyone in the hotel. Okay, let me cross the road first. Yeah, so I just left the hotel, said goodbye to everyone. Oh my god, it made me so emotional because everyone was super nice while saying goodbye. Well, obviously everybody has to be nice when saying goodbye, but it was, oh my god, it was nice. It was nice. Yeah, this chapter is over, new chapter is starting. Yay! I am home. This was it. Like, this was it. Oh my god, it took an year. I remember, like, last year when I was living with Lena, that time how I used to cry, like, I don't want to do this job, I'm applying for jobs, I'm not getting anything and all that. I've come a long way. I'm gonna talk so much in this video about work. I just want to throw all the black kapde from my wardrobe. कूड़े में मुझे फेंकने का मन कर रहा है. Like, I just, this job made me hate the black outfits so much. Like, all the black t-shirt मैंने कल एक बैग में डाली and I was like, okay, I don't want to ever see myself in black ever again. The people who have worked in an hourly job, they know how much of a struggle it is, how much it destroys your mental health by thinking about, especially like hourly, if hours are fixed, that's okay. But if like every day it is a flexible timing, you don't know what time you're going to work, you don't know what time you're going to come back from work, you don't know if you're going to have work tomorrow or not. Like, it takes so much. And I used to cry about it, but now it's going to be salary. Wow. I remember like 4 साल पहले मैं इधर आई. Obviously 12th करके आई थी. I didn't have a single idea of what I'm gonna do with my life. Starbucks में काम किया, coffee shops में काम किया, and एक दिन मेरी McDonald's में शेफ थी जहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे बोला you have to clean the washroom. I went to the washroom to clean it up. Somebody pissed all over the commode, and I called crying. I called Harnaam Didi crying, saying, Didi, I want to quit this job. I cannot clean all this fucking shit. And she was like, बेटा तू 2 जॉब छोड़ चुकी है, इससे पहले जॉब मार्केट इतनी बुरी है, तेरे पास कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तू 12th करके आई है, तू स्टूडेंट है, तेरे पास कोई जॉब नहीं है तो क्या करेगी घर बैठ के. इससे पहले मैं घर बैठी थी, 3-4 महीने बैठी थी क्योंकि मेरे पास जॉब नहीं थी. आई हैव सीन दोज डेज, शी हैव सीन दोज डेज विद मी, सो शी वाज लाइक नो यू हैव टू डू दिस. तो मैंने उसको क्लीन किया था. And from that day I joined this company and like I stayed in this company for 3 years. I have so many good memories about this as well, but the past year was so crazy that every single day I just woke up and I was thinking, when I'm gonna get a new job, when I'm gonna get a new job, can I quit today, can I quit today? So yeah, that was it for this chapter. I'm feeling so free, but only because I'm off tomorrow. So I'm starting this new job right after 2 days, so it's not really like a break, but I'm excited. First few days are going to be easy because you're just learning about the new company, how everything works over there. But yeah, and somebody just scared me a little, so I was just saying goodbye to the event managers at my hotel, and they were like, I know how much planning it takes to plan all the logistics for the position that you're going to be in. And I'm like, oh my god, don't scare me. But yeah, it's going to be better pay, stability, and so much more coming in my way. Since the time I used to work at Starbucks, a coffee shop, I always thought of this, that I have so much potential to do so much more. What am I fucking doing in a coffee shop? और ये सेंटेंस मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहता था. So if you are someone जो अभी कहीं अपनी लाइफ में स्टक फील कर रहा है, believe in yourself. You're gonna get through this, and so much good is waiting for you out there. Okay, enough of my TED talk. I'm very excited for this. I have waited for this for a year now, so I'm gonna post it on LinkedIn that I'm starting a new position. So here's my LinkedIn open, share that I'm starting a new position as event manager at Northern Productions INC. Should I post it? Post now. Post now. Okay, I'm posting it. You all say that I don't show you any exciting things of my life. I am going to some kind of celebration. I don't know yet. Jay Bhaiya called me saying that he's treating us for dinner, like the entire group, but I don't know what it is for. So we're gonna find out, but I'm just going there. Yeah. Walking to the place.
चलो मेरे से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना.
Yes.
खबरदार.
ये क्या है? नाच क्या है?
तेरा तो पहले भी चला गया था.
हाँ क्योंकि उसकी ट्रिक है
Out.
टक टक टक
Done.
ये रक्षा करे
Last है.
वैसे वो भी है.
फ्लिप फ्लिप
फ्लिप फ्लूप कैसे होगा?
मेरे को एक नंबर दिया तूने. कौन है नंबर 1 फ्लिपर?
इससे उछाला.
अरे जो तेरा राइट हैंड. I did it with right hand and I did it at the lower level, so it goes like. ऐसे कर, ऐसे टेढ़ा करके, ऐसे सीधा सा करके, then it horizontal and then flip it. Yes. सही है. तेरे 2 भी हुए हैं, अभी 3 और हैं.
3 और आइटम है.
Very close, very close. Come on, Megha. आराम से पढ़ो, फ्लाइट दो ताकि Yes.
Run past the rivers, run past all the light. Feel it crushing and burning, tearing all the light. Strike a match, lit the fire.